Today we are going to make some brownies. I'm using a recipe from Azlita, Masam. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link down there. First of all, you want to make a double boiler to melt the chocolate. This is how I use double boiler. You can use a cooker. This is just how I do it because I want to show it to the camera. So you want to melt the chocolate with the butter completely until it is smooth and shiny like this. And then you put 2 eggs and some brown sugar and some vanilla essence. I wanted to use a mixer, but in the recipe she said do not use a mixer, so that's why I'm just using my hand. And then you want to put the melted chocolate with butter into the mixture. Mix it well and then sieve the self-rising flour. Then mix it again until it's mixed well. And then you want to put it into the baking pan. Make sure that you grease the baking pan before you do this so that it won't stick to the walls, okay?